In this video, we can talk about the geological time scale. Here, the evidence of evolution can be explained through geological time scale. Geological time scale is a series of events in the form of life. It shows five principal eras. They are Archaeozoic, Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Eras are divided into periods, periods into epochs. Archaeozoic era is the time of invisible life, whereas the remaining eras are the form of visible life. Paleozoic era was the cradle of ancient life. Mesozoic era was the golden age of reptiles, whereas the Cenozoic era is the golden age of mammals. The Earth was formed 4.6 billion years ago. The first geological time scale was developed by the Giovanni Ardulna in 1760. Here you can see the geological time scale is divided into five eras. They are Archaeozoic, Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. I have developed a mnemonic that is APPSC. Here APPSC is not there, that is the APPMC. CO Sridhar developed computer pen in Teja Junior College. People met PPR. Here, this is mnemonic I have developed. CO Sridhar developed computer pen in Teja Junior College. People met PPR. Here, the C means Cambrian, O means Ordovician, S means Silurian, D means Devonian, developed means Devonian, computer means Carboniferous. Carboniferous period is the golden age of amphibians. Permian, there is a mass extinction, Triassic period, Jurassic period, and Cretaceous period. These are the periods in Mesozoic era, and the epochs here is the Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, Pliocene, Pleistocene, and recent in Cenozoic era. Here you can see the evidence of evolution can be explained through the geological time scale. The geological time scale is a series of events in the form of life. It shows five significant eras. They are Archaeozoic, Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic eras. That is called APPMC. APPMC means Archaeozoic, Proterozoic, Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. Here, the eras are divided into periods, periods divided into epochs. The Archaeozoic era has the time of invisible life. The remaining four eras are the form of visible life. Paleozoic era was the cradle of ancient life. Mesozoic era is the golden age of reptiles. Cenozoic era, which is currently uh, flourishing, that is Cenozoic era, is the golden age of mammals. The complete lifespan of Earth is about 4.6 billion years ago. The geological time scale was developed by Giovanni Ardulna in 1760. Here you can see the C means Cambrian, O means Ordovician, Sridhar means Silurian, developed means Devonian, computer means Carboniferous, the pen means Permian, Teja means Triassic, Junior means Jurassic, College means Cretaceous. People met PPR. These are the epochs in Cenozoic era, Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene. PLE has no meaning. Miocene, M means the Miocene, Pliocene, Pleistocene, Holocene or recent. The Cenozoic era shows the following epochs, that is the Paleocene, Eocene, Oligocene, Miocene, Pliocene, Pleistocene, and recent. Recent is also called as Holocene. Here you can see any geological time scale is broadly divided into so many things. Here you can see eons are divided into eras, eras are divided into periods, periods are divided into the ages. Ages. Here you can see the eons. Eons are Ardean, Archean, Proterozoic. These three the eons are also known as Precambrian period. The Phanerozoic eon shows the Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, and Cenozoic era. The Phanerozoic era shows the three Phanerozoic eon shows three eras, that is Paleozoic, Mesozoic, and Cenozoic. The Precambrian period also the Ardean, Archean, as well as Proterozoic. It lost about 3,500 million years ago. This is the earliest form of life. Here you can see the Paleozoic era shows the Cambrian period as well as the Ordovician period, Silurian period, Devonian period, Carboniferous period, as well as Permian period. Here, the Cambrian, this is the first period, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian is rightly called as the golden age of fishes. Carboniferous period is rightly called as the golden age of amphibians. Permian, there is a mass extinction of species. The Mesozoic era shows the three periods. One is the Triassic period, Jurassic period, and Cretaceous, whereas the Cenozoic era shows two periods, Tertiary period and Quaternary period. This is in the case of the Cretaceous period, at the end of the Mesozoic era, the Cretaceous period, you can see the mass extinction of dinosaurs, and quaternary period there is evolution of man. Here you can see the eras. There are five eras. The Archaeozoic era, this is the beginning of the life. Proterozoic era, this is the time of the earliest life. Paleozoic era, this is the time of ancient life. Mesozoic era, this is the time of the middle life. Cenozoic era, this is the age of the modern times. Here you can see the Archaeozoic era. When you see the Archaeozoic era, it lasts about 3,600 million years ago. The presumptive origin of acellular organisms are seen in this dominant group. Next, the Proterozoic era. This is the time of the earliest life. It lasts about 1600 million years ago. Soft marine invertebrates, shelled protozoans, coelenterate, flatworms, algae, fungi, and bacteria is seen. Paleozoic era is last about 570 million years ago. This is the cradle of ancient life. Invertebrates, fishes, and amphibians are evolved. Mesozoic era, this is 245 million years ago. Some people they are saying that it's last about 230 million years ago. This is the golden age of reptiles. The reptiles and gymnosperms are evolved in this era. Next, Cenozoic era. This is the last about 65 million years ago to till now. This is the golden age of mammals. This is the age of the man. Here, the angiosperms, aves, and mammals developed. Man and herds are also developed. This is the story of the geological time scale. Geological time scale shows the five important eras. They are Archaeozoic era, Proterozoic era, Paleozoic era, Mesozoic era, and Cenozoic era. The Proterozoic era lasts about 1600 million years ago. Archaeozoic era 3,600 million years ago. Paleozoic era 570 million years ago. Mesozoic era they are last about 245 million years ago. Cenozoic era started 65 million years ago. Now it is running, that is still now. Here, the Proterozoic era the soft marine invertebrates, shelled protozoan, coelenteраtes, flatworms, algae, fungi, and bacteria developed. Paleozoic era is the cradle of ancient life, invertebrates, fishes, and amphibians developed. Mesozoic era, this is the time of the Middle Age. It lasts about 230 or 245 million years ago. This is the golden age of reptiles. Reptiles and gymnosperms evolved. Cenozoic era, currently flourishing. The Cenozoic era lasts about 65 million years ago. This is the golden age of mammals. Angiosperms, aves, and mammals, man and hags developed. This is the story of the geological time scale. When you see the Paleozoic era, this is the time of ancient life. Here, when you see the Paleozoic era, the first period is the Cambrian period. The climatic conditions in Cambrian period, that is warm climate, great submergence of land, first indication of fishes, corals, trilobites, brachiopods are seen, marine algae and plant fossils are seen. When you see the Ordovician period, the climate become warmer, the first fishes evolved, freshwater corals, trilobites abundant, different molluscs are seen. Here, when you see the flora, the algae, fungi and bacteria developed. The Silurian period, there is a slight climate, cooling, extensive continental seas are seen. The expansion of invertebrates, first insects, rise of fishes, and the first known land plants, club marshes, as well as algae dominant in Silurian period. Devonian period, the Devonian period is rightly called as the golden age of fishes. Here, when you see the climatic conditions, it is uniform climate, increased temperature. The Devonian period is rightly called as the golden age of fishes, diversification of fishes, appearance of lungfishes, evolution of amphibians, crabs, and land snails. Here, when you see the flora, the first gymnosperms, liverworts, horsetails, and ferns are developed. Carboniferous period, it shows generally the two periods. There is it is amalgamation of two periods, that is Mississippian period as well as the Pennsylvanian period. The Mississippian is the lower strata and the Permian period is the upper strata. Here, the Carboniferous period is rightly called as the golden age of amphibians. The Carboniferous period is rightly called as the golden age of amphibians. When you see the climatic conditions during the Carboniferous period, that is the coral mountains formation, the climate uniform, humid at first, cooler later as land rose, spread of warm seas, dominance of amphibians are seen in the Carboniferous period. That's why it is called as the golden age of amphibians. Appearance of reptiles, insects abundant, tropical coal forests, seed ferns and gymnosperms are evolved. Next one is Permian period. This is the rise of continents, climate become arid, glaciation in southern hemisphere. Many ancient animals died. Many ancient animals died. Mammals like reptiles, modern insects arose. Decline of lycopods and horsetails are seen. That's why mass extinction is seen during the Permian period. Here, Devonian period is rightly called as the golden age of fishes. Here, we can see the diversification of fishes and appearance of lungfishes. Carboniferous is the dominant period for the amphibians. That's why it is called as the golden age of amphibians. The Permian period, where you can see the many ancient animals died. That's why this is called the mass extinction is seen in during the Permian period. Next one is you can see the Mesozoic era. The Mesozoic era is rightly called as the golden age of reptiles. Here, the Mesozoic era is divided into three periods. They are, first one is Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous. In Triassic period, when you see the climatic conditions, continents exposed, world subtropical climates, the appearance of egg-laying mammals are seen during the Triassic period. that is diversification of reptiles, also seen. Extinction of primitive amphibia started at a Triassic period. Next, when you see the flora, the dominance of gymnosperms and the extinction of seed ferns are seen. Jurassic period, there is a culmination of global warm climate. When you see the fauna, the dominance of dinosaurs are seen. During the Jurassic period, there is a dominance of dinosaurs are seen. That's why the Jurassic period is rightly called as the dominance of dinosaurs, or the golden age of dinosaurs. In Jurassic Park also, there is a cinema, that is Jurassic Park always tells about the story of the dominance of dinosaurs, appearance of toothed birds, rise of insectivorous marsupials. Jurassic period is the golden age for dinosaurs, appearance of first angiosperms, cycads and conifers common. Cretaceous period, here the development of climatic diversity, extinction of dinosaurs. Extinction of dinosaurs are seen during the Cretaceous period. There is a dominance of dinosaurs seen during the Jurassic period. The appearance of the egg-laying mammals are seen in the diversification of reptiles are seen during the Triassic period. Here, in Cretaceous period, there is extension of dinosaurs, toothed birds, etc., beginning of teleost fishes and modern birds, appearance of marsupials, a rise of monocotyledons, decrease of gymnosperms. Here, the Cenozoic era, this is the golden age of mammals. Here, the Cenozoic era shows the two periods. One is tertiary period as well as the quaternary period. When you see the tertiary period, it shows the following epochs like the Paleocene. During the Paleocene, you can see the climatic conditions, the development of climatic belts. And when you see the fauna, evolutionary explosion of mammals are seen, appearance of modern birds are seen during the Paleocene. Here, when you see the flora, there is a modernization of angiosperms. Eocene, zoned climatic belts well established. The placental mammals diversified and specialized, hoofed mammals and carnivorous established. Here, the extension of angiosperms are seen during the Eocene. Oligocene, this is the land lower, climate warmer, appearance of modern mammals are seen during the Oligocene. A rise of monocotyledons are seen. Miocene, there is a cooling of climates, mammals at a height of evolution. First man-like ape evolved. First man-like ape evolved during the Miocene, that is the Australopithecus is developed during the Miocene. Australopithecus, that is first man, the man-like ape developed during the Miocene, that is Australopithecus. The appearance of grasses and reduction of forests are seen when you see the flora. Miocene is the cooling of climates are seen. Mammals at height of evolution. First man-like apes are evolved. That is Australopithecus, that is southern ape-like man developed. This is the seen in Miocene, appearance of grasses, reduction of forests. And the quaternary period, this is the epochs. When you see the quaternary period, it shows the Pliocene, Pleistocene, as well as Holocene or recent period. When you see the Pliocene, it shows the cool land, cool land, temperate climate away from equator. Man evolved from man-like apes, elephants, horses, camels developed, decline of forests, great decrease of woody plants. Man evolved from man-like apes. This is the Pliocene. Next, Pleistocene, repeated glaciation and four ice ages are seen. Pleistocene, this is the age of primitive man. Evolution of many mammals start of social life, increased and spread of herbs, grasses and grassland in increase. increase. Here you can see Pleistocene is rightly called the age of primitive man, evolution of many mammals, start of social life, whereas the Pliocene, man evolved from man-like apes. Next, Holocene, this is the, or it is also called as recent, end of Ice Age, climate warmer, age of modern man. Holocene is the age of modern man, Pleistocene is the age of primitive man, Pliocene is the man evolved from man-like apes. Here, the Holocene or recent, this is the dominance of herbs are seen. This is the age of modern man and development of social, economic, cultural, as well as agricultural development, as well as thinking is seen during the evolution of man during the Holocene. This is the gist about the geological time scale. Thank you for watching. We will see in next video also in a lucid manner. Please subscribe my channel and promote my channel also. Thank you for watching.